Hey, good morning everyone. How you guys doing? Big up to everybody in Grenada. Lamar Kelly Jumping Dumpling YouTube channel. This morning I'm taking you guys into the hustle and bustle of the heart of downtown Kingston. It's after 7 in the morning, so I expect the road to be less crowded. So I'm about to go into the heart of downtown Kingston now. The hustle and bustle where all the bargains and transportation and everything takes place. Show you guys what it is like in downtown Kingston, one of the major shopping areas right here in Kingston, Jamaica. As you can see, it's early morning. It's actually Friday. It's not a major shopping day. Thursday is the major shopping day in downtown Kingston. But anyway, guys, I'm giving you guys a quick peek of what it's like here in downtown Kingston, Jamaica. Traffic is not so bad this morning. It was worse coming over from Portmore to Kingston, but in downtown the traffic is not so bad, so I can't complain. It can be worse. Yeah, so I'm heading into what should have been the more busier side, but it's early time of the day, so it's not as busy as and to my left and to my right, these are what Supreme Court buildings. Yeah guys, so this is actually what the heart of downtown Kingston looks like. And later on down in the days, there won't be any way here for you to walk comfortable. It will be shoulder to shoulder rubbing, a lot of hustling and bargaining on the road. And if you're taking a bus to Portmore, Spanish Town, or Halfway Tree, this is where you would come and get a bus, one of those yellow buses. Or if you're going to University of the West Indies and you're traveling from anyway downtown, you could also get a bus from here to go up that side. So I'm just taking you guys for a short spin. And across the road, right ahead, that's actually a park. I don't remember the name of that park. It's actually named after British royalty. So, this is downtown Kingston, the heart of downtown Kingston right here in Jamaica, guys. And if you're looking to hang out, downtown Kingston is just not the place for you to hang out. Downtown Kingston is like a big bargain center where you want cheap goods to buy, clothes, shoes, whatever. You come down this side. It's not a place to take a friend for hang out or anything like that. I wouldn't recommend, unless you're going down by the waterfront. As you can see, it's early morning and it's like super crowded. So that's what I'm talking about. Not the place to hang out. There's a lot more streets here in downtown Kingston, but I'm not gonna take you guys on all of those streets this morning because I want this video to be really short. I don't know if you guys can see those yellow strip on the side of those cars and the red license plate. Those are taxis. So if you guys want a taxi, you can look out for that. Big yellow buses, those are public transportation. Once you see a bus in yellow, it's a public transportation. Look out for the number or the digital writing running across the top to know the route the bus is going, so you don't end up taking the wrong bus. And one thing I must say, when you're driving in Jamaica, you must always be, like every country, you must always be on the alert, but in Jamaica you must be super alert. Because the taxi man here, they drive crazy. Really, really crazy. And they will run you off the road. Ooh. Stoplight again. It's one of the things you can look out for in Jamaica. A lot of stoplight everywhere you go. Lights after lights after lights. Alright. Got the green. And stoplight again. I have a question. I want to know how different people in the Caribbean pronounces the name of the island of Grenada. I say Grenada, I hear some people say Grenada, so what's the correct pronunciation? Is it Grenada or Grenada? And also the correct pronunciation of Jamaica, is it Jamaica or Jamaica or what? So we're still in downtown, circling, showing you guys a little bit of what old historic downtown Kingston looks like. And I'm at another stoplight. As I told you guys, there is like stoplight everywhere you turn here in Kingston. Traffic could be worse, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad this morning. It's way better than some of the other days. in downtown Kingston. Yeah, guys, I wonder how to go around here. Crazy. Let's see if I can do it. Push out. They ain't giving me no blind. I'm gonna have to take it. Yeah, I have to take it. They ain't giving me no blind. And I want to go across that side. And I want to go across again. Yeah, you have to take it. They ain't giving you no blind here. You know that people who drive luxury vehicle, I'm talking the very expensive Audis and the Beamers and those type of vehicle, they're easier to get blind on the road because people here don't want to like rub those cars. So if they see you going over in front of them, they're just gonna let you go. But driving a Honda or a Toyota, they don't give hell about you. They rub it, they fix it back. Insurance fix it. Yeah. Anyway, guys, that's it for the little tour of downtown Kingston. Not all of it, just a little part of what downtown Kingston is. Thank you guys for watching, and remember to subscribe to the channel. Jumping Dumpling, big up to Lamar Kelly, everybody in Grenada and the wider Caribbean, and to all the Jamaicans out there. Love you all. Have a blessed day.